Do you think so? Oh, this is the church that was... Oh! Take a look, sister. There are beautiful churches here.
Yeah.
Ah, that's the already, sister. That's already the Hardy Park. See, take a look at how beautiful the Hardy Park is. Wow, sister, we're going there.
Sure.
There you go. Take a look at the Hardy Park. It's on my left side.
Будьте внимательны. Здесь ограничение по времени остановки. Через 300 метров поверните налево. Времени остановки.
The buildings here is really, really nice. This is my friend. Hi, Kajoy. See right here. Company. We're together today. We decided to date ourselves together since we didn't hang out at the park. Opa. There, take a look. My dad.
Naka-live ka sa FB?
Hindi
Oh.
I know you, sister. I'm not gonna take a lot because I know already. So I just like it Instagram because we don't have Instagram, right?
Yeah.
Поверните налево.
I don't want to also to like in FB because there's a lot of viewers there. Now there you go. There. So take a look. Take a look how beautiful. Yeah, we have to walk over the side.
Через 300 метров поверните налево, а затем поверните налево.
Lapit na tayo. Sister, you just
Mahmut Sudan.
Dada. This one da? Spasiba большое. Ой,
Ayan, nandito kami sa Philippine Kitchen. You are the host?
the host of today's event.
Hi, my sister company. Nandito kami sa Philippine Kitchen.
Where's the sun?
Where is the sun? Inside my glass.
Your sunglasses.
Woo!
Take off your sunglasses. This is the blue, right?
No, black.
No, the blue one.
No, I forgot to bring the green one. The green one.
Let's order, sister.
Just a moment. Ano bang kakainin? Ano nga kakainin namin dito?
Joy, could you bring some menu here, please? Joy, could you bring the menu, please, here? Joy, do you hear us? Can you please bring the menu here? It's thick there. Take one. Take, just take one.
Hindi, siguro hindi pwedeng tanggalin.
No. Ay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Parang masarap din ito.
Dito kami sa Philippines Kitchen.
eh. Card. Ang pera ko. Wala na kasi, puti na lang yung cash ko eh.
Hello guys, welcome to Philippine Kitchen.
Currently, we are right now here in the Philippine kitchen. The kitchen is right located here near to Greenwood. It's
Sa labas.
just
Nangin sa labas?
marami
Sa
upuan
labas
doon.
daw. Kakain.
I don't mind if we go there.
Sorry?
So I think it would be much better to go outside to get some. I have the halo-halo drinks no.
Okay, kayo. Doon kami ate oh. Marami kayo? Marami na ano, kasi dito maamurin yung... May una lang tayo. Maganda doon.
Maraming maraming bakanting upuan.
Ayun na may fan pa. May itandahin mo yung number. Hello guys, welcome to Philippine Kitchen. Punta kayo dito.
Sige.
Kasi masarap yung food nila.
So can you imagine guys, this is Philippine kitchen and the food is served is all from Philippines, from Filipino, but the owner of this Philippine kitchen is Indian.
Bananas, saging, bata, loving. Meaning to say, loving.
Yes. Bahala saging basta labing. That's the end. The short term, sister. Bahalag saging basta labing. Mabuhay.
Mas masarap mag-stay sa labas. Saan ang Japanese? Oo. Japanese. Kitay. Kitay is Thailand. Ay, China. Ayan, ang lalaki ng ng mangga. Dito kami sa labas.
Ang dami na tinangkat yung sister.
Ha?
Ano yung church?
Ang number ng...
Yeah. May lipsticks ko dito, sister?
Wala.
Ilong?
Ikaw?
Oo.
Wait lang. Nag-a-alarm na. Tinatawag na kami. Luto na yung aming
Puro naman sa
meal.
kinuha mo, Joy. Uy.
Ayan. Okay. Ayan yung order namin ng calamaris. Ayan.
Pwede ka na mag-order ng rice sister. May fried rice sila. Mag-order ka ng rice sister.
Maghintay pa. Halo-halo nila, oh. Kinain ko na.
Order halo-halo here. We just go to visit here.